This samosa was so good. They had 3 different ones you can choose from, and we ended up getting the veggie sausage. Definitely a winner. Hey guys, I'm Shantae from naturalveganmama.com, where we're all about showing you how easy this vegan lifestyle can be. Well, this past weekend we went to Palm Beach VegFest, and I definitely had to share it with you. So let's get started and let's keep it easy. So the way that they had it laid out was pretty cool. It was at the Meyer Amphitheater, so if you're ever in West Palm, definitely check it out. They always have different events going on, different festivals and things like that, you know, concerts and whatnot. And so they had all of the vendors placed in a semicircle, and then they had a few vendors in the middle, and then there was an exception of a few vendors on the top part. So you could walk the semicircle and then go in the middle and then go into this upper area to check out the other vendors. They had a few different food vendors mixed in, but it was a lot of like informational things, products, services, and things like that. I love vegan tacos. Yes, I do. So we started getting hungry. Now it's about time to go and find some delicious food. I am not one to turn down free kale chips, so yes, please, and thank you. It was such a beautiful day, you guys. Look how pretty the sky was and the palm trees in the background. It was just like a picturesque, beautiful West Palm Beach sunny day. Okay, so I think these stairs lead to Flagler Drive, and apparently that's where the food trucks are. So yeah, this is where we headed to get to the food trucks. Yep, the sign says Reggae Beats. They have vegan conch, they have some jackfruit tacos, and we just went to go check out what else they had. Okay, so that's the first food truck we saw, so we decided to go and see what else is going on before we decide on the first thing that we see. All right, so we came upon some samosas. They have red potato samosas, veggie sausage, and also a sweet potato samosa. They all sounded really, really good, but we decided to do the veggie sausage samosa. So they were 2 for $12, which is not really bad. And then you can also get the sauce. They had different sauces that you can get. They had a cilantro lime, a mango chutney, and one other one. So I decided to get the cilantro lime, and we also got the mango chutney, and both spicy, of course. And they were actually really, really good. it's amazing what you can do with veggies, you know, seasoning them properly and making them taste amazing. It was almost like, is this meat? It was definitely not meat, all vegan, but it tastes delicious. They had the texture on point. So guys, my mom gave up eating meat this year. So please, please, please give her a shout out, give her some encouragement. She's doing amazing. Definitely like this video or leave her a comment in the comment section below, and I'll definitely share it to her, share it with her and show her that you are supporting her and, you know, giving her some words of encouragement as she goes along this endeavor. She saw the documentary that everyone has been talking about, and, you know, what's the health. She saw that and she's like, nope, that's it, I'm done. So she definitely has her vegan daughter to help her along the way, and she's doing amazing. So definitely give this video a thumbs up and leave her a comment, a word of encouragement in the comment section below, and I will definitely share it with her. Well, we ended up going back to the Reggae Beach truck. We were not going to leave without trying some of their food, and it was definitely worth it. We both ended up getting the mango lemonade, and my mom got the basmati rice with curry chickpeas and veggies, and I got the jerk tacos. I don't have to tell you, those things were amazing. They were really, really good. The only thing that I would change is I would make it a little bit more spicy, but you know me, I like everything spicy. But yeah, it was very delicious. The owner was there in the front. When I first walked up, I thought he was a DJ because he had his like table set up with blaring reggae music that was so awesome. It was so nice to hear that and just like hang out and enjoy the vibes. And when I went up to order, I like went up to the food truck. He's like, no, you order here. And I was like, oh, okay. I thought you were like hanging out DJing, but yeah, he was the owner. So that was amazing. And we enjoyed ourselves and had a great time.